Hey YouTube, it is Trevor Phillips here, and this is my new Crossman 760 Pump Master. I had one before, I lost it. I got this because my Daisy Power Line 880, it leaks. This gun goes up to 700 FPS. The box, I think it's misprinted because it says 700 FPS with pellets and 625, I think, with BBs. I got the Tasco 3x7 20mm scope on there. It is multi-pump. Here's the cross bolt. There it says 760 Pump Master. The scope's adjustable too. You can adjust it closer or extremely closer. It takes this It takes this 5-round magazine. And that clip goes right here. That clip is for pellets. And right here up under the scope, you just push this all the way up like it is. That's where you put the BBs. Then you close this. It's gravity fed, so you have to turn it upside down like this. Now the BBs run up here to that little spot right there. I don't know if you can see it good. It's like right here. Then you just close this back and locks them into place up here, and they can't go back. Here's the crossbolt safety. Really cheap and plastic down, but it's really adorable. My old one actually had a fiber optic sight. This one's just a like little piece of plastic. Ain't even got no white dot like my Daisy does. It's got adjustable rear sight. You have to pump it up 10 times, for the maximum velocity of close up to 700 FPS. It's got this little trigger right here. So it looks like. And that's my new pellet gun. The reason I got this, I bet you're wondering, why'd you get this when you have that TR-77? Well, like I said, my Daisy Power Line 880 leaks. And when I start trapping squirrels again, my Daisy will only hold over one pump, and one pump ain't strong enough to take out a squirrel. So my TR-77 is way too powerful, and it'll probably just destroy them. And so I need a little multi-pump. I would really like that Benjamin Trail MP handgun, but this is cheap. Cost about $40 altogether. The sign at Walmart said $49. $35.99. Yeah, so it costs about $35.99 plus tax, so about $40 altogether. And yeah, what you do is just pump this up, load a pellet or a BB, what I do is I stick the right there through the cage, through the opening of of the trap, pop them in the head. And that's my new Crossman Pellet 760. Don't forget to comment. Please rate as a like. Please do comment. And please subscribe. The reason I put the 3x7 scope on here is because nobody daggum told me what scope to use on Daisy. But that's okay. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.